Hey guys, Lucas here, Adventure Surplus, and today we're going to talk about a hydration pouch. So what we've got here is an Eagle Industries 120 ounce hydration pouch, or hydration carrier. This will also fit your 100 ounce hydration bladders as well, but up to 120 ounce, so which means you can carry a ton of water in one pouch. It's MOLLE mounted. Now first off, this is longer than most of your modern plate carriers or body armor is currently. So just keep that in mind, where it's going to take up your entire back and maybe even hang off the bottom a little bit when you mount that to your kit. Don't let it detract from that though. It's just a big hydration carrier, and a lot of times you'll see where guys will tie these up to bunch it up, so that way it's a little shorter, which you can fit your 100 ounce in there just fine, just like that. So yeah, but it's a hydration pouch. This one's got a bunch of MOLLE Webbing on the front, so you can throw all your other pouches on there too, mag pouches, IFAC, GP, whatever it needs to be. It is insulated, which is awesome. A little heavier insulated than most hydration carriers out there, I think. So it's going to keep the water cooler in hot days and hopefully help keep them freezing in a cold day too. But you can just slide right in there. You got button snaps and a hook and loop right here, and another button snap to keep that hydration carrier or hydration bladder in there very securely. You got D-rings on the side, so you can kind of tie things down to it, and the clips. These female end buckles will clip into a lot of adapters, such as for like an RRV or whatever else you're wearing. Yeah, just a good overall big hydration carrier. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you use this, let us know what you thought about it. Make sure to subscribe as well. Head on over to adventuresurplus.com and check out all the other Eagle Industries gear we just restocked. Make sure to also subscribe to our emails, where you see our latest and greatest gear twice a week.